guys, so it is another week. It is week 7 on the build and we are going to site today just so we can mark out a couple of things like my electrical points, double sockets and things like that, just to make sure the electrics guys know exactly what they're doing. So yeah, let's get to site now. Right guys, bit of an admin day today then. What I'm going to do is I'm just making a list of a couple of things that I want, just little bits and pieces that I want the builder to rectify obviously when we get the scaffold up. One of them is obviously this window at the minute it's blocked up with breeze blocks. So they've used all of the reclaimed bricks or old bricks that we could use from the chimney breast and used them all up everywhere else, and then up there they've actually put in breeze blocks. So instead I just need to make a list of a couple of things that like that they need to be taken out, and some reclaimed bricks that the builder can source from other projects needs to be put in there as a replace of that, because obviously you're going to see that it doesn't look the best at the minute, but that's easily rectified, so we're going to do that. So I'm making little lists of little bits and pieces just like that need rectifying, just so that I can go through that with builder, and yeah, that's what I'll be doing today. Guys, today we are going to site to go meet the window installer. We're just going to go through the last little bits and pieces and measurements and any details on the leads and stuff like that, on windows and the style and everything like that. Just confirm all the last little bits on site, last little measures. It will be the structural measurements that we'll do today just before we put in that order and commit ourselves to that window design. The next couple of bits of footage will probably be on site and also hopefully the finished lead design. Insert scaffolding footage now. Hi guys, right, so today we've got a few more drawing amendments to make. Just had a couple of comments from the builder control inspector, so I'm going to do those and I'll film them for you. Just made some notes, so I'll just make sure I pop these on the drawing as I go. It's another day guys, and I'm just going to keep going with these drawings, just adding these building control notes to the updated drawing and just add a couple of amendments on there as well. Right guys, so I've just finished adding all my notes in here for builder control, so that's all done, and I've printed off the drawings, PDF them, so they're ready to resubmit to builder control, so that's all done. Also got a separate sheet as well just for some builder control notes, so that's all done. And now I'm just going to have a look at my social media. So what I normally do is just automate my social media, so I use things like Canva and stuff just so I can design, and Canva's just like a graphic design thing. You can make thumbnails, you can make covers for your Instagram reels, things like that. So if you want, I could do a video on that if any of you are looking for that, so I'm just going to do that. Right then guys, so I thought I would come back and just show you a shot of the progress of the nook without the builders in the shot. I just felt a bit funny filming when they were there. I didn't obviously want to, for personal reasons, I didn't want to be filming with them in the shot just for their benefit. So yeah, I'm just going to go out now and just show you the progress of the roof, the scaffold, everything without the literally finished the roof. You can see you've got new roof coverings, the flashing right by the chimney breast, that's all done. All the flashing's done. So that's the end of this video for this week. Obviously a lot's happened, a lot's kicking off, so stay tuned to see the rest of the progress and watch this video next just to see a bit more progress of what's happening on the knock. Like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next. Thanks, bye.